Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
Bitcoin has added 6.4% in the last three sessions. The ADX is heating up and is now giving a positive signal. The euro-dollar pair has fallen 0.6% in the last three sessions. The ultimate oscillator has bounced upwards into the neutral zone. The sterling-dollar pair has fallen 0.5% in the last two sessions. The stochastic RSI has bounced upwards into the positive zone. The Aussie-dollar pair has gained 0.2% in the last session. The stochastic RSI has shot up into neutral territory.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
German automaker Daimler will split itself into two independent companies by spinning off its truck and bus division, a move the company said would give both the freedom to operate more nimbly. More than 10 million people in the UK have received their first dose of the COVID-19 vaccine, marking a significant milestone for the largest vaccination program in British history. Despite having no real basis as a financial asset, cryptocurrency Dogecoin recently reached a market cap of more than $12 billion.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The U.S. continuing jobless claims will be released at 13:30 GMT. Japan's JP foreign reserves at 23:50 GMT. The French 10-year bond auction at 9:50 GMT. Japan's overall household spending will be released at 23:30 GMT. The UK's market construction PMI at 9:30 GMT, the UK's monetary policy summary at 1200 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.